How to add photo and video together on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add photo and video together on Instagram story. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram application and sign in to your account. Simply, you need to navigate to your homepage. Now tap on your story button at top left corner and select a particular video that you want to add on your Instagram story. As you can see that we have added a video on our Instagram story. To add photo also, tap on the sticker icon at top left corner of your screen. And here you need to select photo sticker and choose a photo. Similarly, you can easily do the same process and add multiple photos if you wish to. So let's adjust this photo anywhere. And then you have successfully added photo and video together on Instagram story. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.